We just spent 3 days camping where this Silverado EV truck powered our entire campsite. Here's the gear that made it possible. Keep watching to see how we use all the gear. All right, so here's the setup we were using yesterday to catch all the bass. We ended up catching around 14 bass. This is an ugly stick. It's just a regular ugly stick that you can get pretty much anywhere, Amazon, Walmart. This one did come with a reel. That's also a ugly stick reel. I've had it where it just came with the ugly stick and I put on like a Shimano or something like that on there, but that's what my last one had. I have a swivel, which we'll talk about that in a second. This is a robo worm. This is the motor oil robo worm. This is a Gamakatsu hook with it's weedless. So you can see right here that these pieces come down and it makes it weedless. And then this is our sinker I used. In yellow, this is the NEMA L1430P RV adapter. I have this connected to the iGuide RV surge protector. That actually helped us a lot this trip. A pour over coffee is pretty much our morning routine. I don't really eat a lot of breakfast anymore, but definitely have our coffee. And these pans are amazing. Talk about having a non-stick option. I cooked fish and I did put a little oil in there and it was fine. The clean out was fine. I literally can wipe it out and then just a little soap and water and everything was perfect. Nothing stuck in it. And if that's not a test, here's your test. We had no butter for these eggs and they didn't stick. Cerebelli is an organic baby food maker and they're fantastic. All of my kids, my 6-year-old son, my 3-year-old daughter, and my baby 1-year-old son, all have their favorite pouches. This is the best way to get them nutrients.
You got up to 6. Good. Climbing up, teen?
This is actually a weed burner on Amazon. I bought it for starting our barbecue pits. We have a catering business that we have, and this is how I start every barbecue. If you liked any of the gear we used, I put all the links below. We're not sponsored, this is just what worked for us. Like and subscribe and comment below and tell us what your favorite gear is.